Hey guys, and welcome back for another video. So today I'm bringing you guys with another Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for this month of July. So hopefully you guys are excited to see what I received for this one. So for those of you guys who haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe and turn notification bell so you guys don't miss none of my videos. And also, why not follow me on Instagram at Lovejasmine323. So in further ado, if you guys are excited to see what I've got, make sure you guys stay tuned. Alright you guys, so as always, each month I do receive my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Now for those of you who don't know what Ipsy is a $25 monthly subscription that you guys can get, and you do get 5 full-size products each month. If you guys are interested to receive a product like this or makeup like this, make sure that you guys check out my description so that way you guys can subscribe and get your goodie bag as well. So in further ado, I'm going to start off with the first product from this Glam Bag Plus. So first thing first, once you open the Glam Bag, you will be having all of your things inside the box. So it does come with a little template, so I'm going to go ahead and share with you guys for this month, which is Ipsy Take a Break. And this is just a little template with a lot of information inside on how to take care of yourself during these hot summer waves. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump in with the first product. All right, so here I have the Mayflower Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizing Invisible Mask. Now this is an anti-ager sheet mask that will help you moisturize the lines and smooth the wrinkles, and these are retail for $15. Second item, here I have the Probiotic and Superfoods Tooless Skincare, and this is the UVA and UVB Protection SPF 30. And I'm gonna go ahead and get this out of the box just to kind of show you how it looks. So this is what the bottle looks like once it's out of the package. It is nice and yellow. So this is a daily SPF 30. What you need is a protection against negative effects of pollution and blue light, all while giving you the perfect dewy glow. And this will be perfect for sunscreen and skincare, and you apply these every morning throughout the day as needed. So it does have probiotics, pineapple and papaya, wild butterfly, ginger and root that will protect against the blue light and stress. So what you do is you apply these generous and plus even layer it to the face. So during these hot summer waves, you guys, we gotta be taking care of our skin. So this is the second product, and this is valued for $36. Alright guys, so going in with the third product, here I have the Ilk Makiage Color Boss Eye Color, and this is how it looks. So this is a dimensional eye color in New Flash, which is called Color Boss, and I just love how the box looks like, and even the eyeshadow is so beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead and open this now. So it is sealed, so make sure that you guys see the tip, and once you open it, you can lift this part up. Look, it's kind of like a lighter, right? So it's not a lighter. So the thing you're gonna do is pull this out, and look at how beautiful the little palette from the eyeshadow looks. So we're gonna go ahead and open this, and look at this beauty, you guys. Isn't that beautiful? Starting with the fourth product, here I have the Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer, and this is from Shelted London brand. And you guys, I have been receiving the Shelted London brand before, and I have been loving the products, but this is a primer that I haven't used, so I'm definitely going to be loving this if I love the other products as well. So I'm going to go ahead and remove it out of the package so you guys can see how it looks from inside. So this is how the bottle looks, and I think it looks really pretty. It's nice and pink, and it does got like something inside. I don't know if those are like seeds, but I think it's just pretty. And if you remove the cap out of this, oh, I think I kind of broke it, I don't know. It smells so good, you guys. go ahead and tie this. Okay, there it is. So I kind of removed the whole cap out of these, but this is how it looks. And this is used for greasy skin, and this does contain vitamin C and antioxidants to brighten, to protect the skin. So basically you apply these under the foundation for long-lasting wear, and this is retail for $28. The last item from this Glam bag is the Complex Culture Contour Blush, and this is how the package looks like. It is a big box. So this is you can achieve 2 essential makeup techniques in a few strokes. Use the lower edge to contour. Use a fluffy tip to swirl on the blush and blend. Luxuriously dense Syntec bristles, 100% biodegradable handle with matte velvet finish, and it is a vegan cruelty free. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this out of the package. You guys this closer so that way you guys can see the brush. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this plastic label out of it. So this is to protect the brush. So this is how the brush looks like from up close. I love how it's all in detail right here, especially with this little white thing on top and gray on the bottom. I think this is a nice, beautiful brush. Now this brush, you can definitely use this for contouring and applying the blush and blending as well for an easy stroke, especially if you guys are in the rush all the time. So this is perfectly for that. And this is a velvet matte finish handle, which is so pretty, and this is retail for $35. The last thing from this box is gonna be this beautiful floral bag that I received for this month, and this is so beautiful, you guys. I love the color. It is like in a mint color, I will say. So this is how it looks, and it does come with a little circle in the handling, kind of like a donut thing. So the inside of this is actually in yellow, kind of similar like from last month's bag, but this one is in floral instead of the lady in the beach, I would say. So far this is how it looks. So if you guys enjoy everything that I have just shown you guys, I hope you guys are ready for the Tryons now, and hopefully you guys love it as well. Hey guys, so we're finally gonna go ahead and start off with this Tryons. So the first thing that I'm gonna apply is the Mid Flower Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizing Invisible Mask, and this is the first thing that I'm actually going to do. So I hope you guys don't mind the way that I look right now. It is super early, so I just want to try to get off and start off the day nicely. So this is like the first thing I'm gonna do, since you do have to leave these on for at least 20 to 30 minutes, so that way you can get a better result out of this. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and open the package and pull this little face mask out. So this is how it looks, and here's the face mask, you guys. It feels so jelly. So if you guys receive this in your, and for this time on your package, you guys are gonna know exactly what I mean when about the feeling of the gel. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this on. Alright you guys, so while I will leave the mask in here for the next 30 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair, because you guys can see that my hair is super wavy right now, and I do not want to be looking like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and straighten my hair for the meanwhile in this next 30 minutes. So if you guys are in the same way as myself, then this is the time for you guys to do your hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll see you guys in a while. 30 minutes have already passed now, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove these out of my face. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and discard them now. So whatever serum we have left, we're just going to go ahead and massage these all over, especially in the neck. You don't want to forget that. So I honestly feel so fresh now. So we're gonna go ahead and continue on with our regular skincare routine, which I really don't have a whole lot. But I'm gonna go ahead and use now the Cialte London Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer, which is like the first thing that I do before I start applying my makeup. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab a nice decent amount of this. So it does look like this. This smells so good. So now the next thing I'm gonna do is use the Tula Skincare, which is the probiotics and superfoods to protect and glow. So this is a UVA and UVB protection sunscreens, and you can add this into your face, but I don't know if I want to do this. I already went ahead and applied my primer, but what I'm gonna do instead is, so it's like this. It's kind of like a mustard color. What I'm gonna do is just add these by my arms. This is where I mostly tend to get burned. So we're gonna move on with the next step. Now that I'm finally done with the foundation and everything else, we are going to go ahead and start off with the eyeshadow now. So here I have the Il Collage New Flash Color Boss Shadow. Now this does come with a nice beautiful case, which is so beautiful. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is grab one of the brushes from Fair Brush, and I am grabbing the 35E Tapper Blending. So hopefully this does work with the brush. Haven't tried it, but I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick color swatch for you guys first. So there's a color swatch of the color. Look at this metallic brown color, you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this on now. So I will be letting you guys know if it works best with the brush or just by applying it with your finger. Oh yes, it is a nice, beautiful and soft metallic brown. Okay, I see. Okay, so I'm going to grab a little bit and then just blend it with the brush. How about that? Okay, so it does pick the color nicely with your finger, so might as well go ahead and do that instead, and then just blend off the edges just to kind of smooth this eye look out. And since we are going to be doing just an easy look for this, I won't be applying any eyeliner just for this one, just because I want the color to just stand out more. So what I'm going to do is just add a couple coats of the mascara. So here I'm going to be using the Beauty For Real mascara in black. And we're just going to add a couple coats to the lashes before applying our falsies. And then I'm going to go ahead and add the Adler London Look Silk falsies. So I'm going to go ahead and grab the contour blush. So I'm going to be using the Gigi Gorgeous 6 Sculpt Bronzer Duo. And I'm going to add it like this. Oh, it feels so soft. And we're going to, I really don't use a whole lot, but I'm just going to go ahead and give it a try. Add a little bit of the loose finish powder, and this is the Maybelline Fit Me in shade 20. Finish off this look, I'm going to be grabbing the Jolie Cosmetics lipstick. We have finally made it through the end, and we are done with the Tryons as well. So far this is what the makeup looks, and it doesn't feel too heavy at all. Everything came out really well, as I expected it to actually turn out. But other than that, I really love everything that came out for this month. Now, I have been receiving a lot of skincare products as well, but hopefully they can send me something different by next month. I don't know about you guys, but I really love everything. I really don't have any concerns of any of the products that I did receive for this month of July. I'm really glad that I've got to try on some new products as well. So the total value for today's Ipsy Glam Plus is $143. Yep, you guys, $143 worth of products. So I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video, you guys, and if you did, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and hopefully this was helpful as well. And if you guys haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe and turn notification bell so you guys don't miss none of my videos. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Lovejasmine363 as well. So I'll be happy to see you guys for our next video. Bye guys.